Again, we're looking today at the S3 radiator and WOOD-JEFFREYS cooling fan that's fitted to my 1968 Lotus Elan S4. Hi there again. This is another little update on my Lotus Elan, and today I thought I'd have a look at the cooling system and the fan setup that was on the car when I bought it. Here we have an S3 radiator which was fitted to my S4, presumably to improve the cooling on the car. It was also fitted with a fan, which I'll show you in a short time, and that piece of metal there was to hold on the temperature sensor. There are no leaks on the fan, sorry, there are no leaks on the radiator, but as you'd expect, I suppose, for the age of the car, there are quite a few damaged fins. Obviously the paint peeling off, so again, as with most of the other parts, it'll need a refurbishment. This is the back of the radiator, as you can see. Pretty much the same as the front. In need of a bit of refurbishment. I'll certainly stick with the S3 radiator. No point in changing it, but it just needs a little bit of a refresh. This is the radiator and fan fitted, and you can see the wiring going up the left hand side of the car. Plus in this photo you can see the switch for the fan at the bottom right. This is a cooling fan that was fitted to the radiator. It's quite elaborate for a fan. It's by WOOD-JEFFREYS Ltd of Kirkburton, who are no longer producing anything, as the company's now defunct. But it's quite a piece of work, to be honest. There's the control box, as you can see, and a mass of wires which really made the engine bay look untidy. That was a switch that was attached to the dashboard. You can see which you could switch on, or have, it was automatic anyway, but you could switch it on anytime you wanted to cool it. Not attached particularly well, but it did work. This is the instruction leaflet that came with the car for wiring up the WOOD-JEFFREYS fan. You can see this is dated August 1972. When this was actually fitted to the car, I don't know, but I can presume it was in the early 70s. So there we have it.